This is a great occasion for all of us, and especially to you recipient this morning. As you will be receiving a government grant through the ministry. Have you heard from our senior youth officer from the Eastern Division that this grant comes from 11 programs. The grants that we are about to receive this morning is for those youth clubs that are registered, and we see that they are successful. They've been, we don't give assistance to those that to start up their own business. Those that have been running, that's the bottom line. Those has been running, and those has been ongoing for the last few years, also with the reports oncoming, and that's the grant given this morning. I have met some of during the tour of Southern Laos last year. They keep on informing me about the club's activities. He made some requests, and here we are this morning. I know the rest of you recipient from Kandavu, the recipient from Kandavu and Lamaiviti, and your request today is being already being facilitated, and all you deserve, as I've said this again and again, you deserve this grant assistance according to Eastern Division recommendations. I know that what will be given you today will be beneficial to you soon as club members, and also will help improve livelihoods in your respective communities. As I've always tell the elders that the ministry here, most of the time, I told them these two words, two magic words: use and prepare. Ravanga taki, kena non rapakarau taki ni tambanwane. Plenty of, most of the time, so majority of their lives, they are being used. May taramandana batu longo, may takamandana longo, dolia do madamay na bisundalo, dungarabiang wanong kemundungo. So majority of the time they have been used, and little time we prepare them for their future. So the grant giving this morning, this government wants you to be prepared for your future. So keep that in mind. So you'll become a better person, a better member of the community, to uplift your livelihood, so that you don't depend to anybody. It depends to mother and father. So the government or the ministry intention is to motivate and encourage young people through such assistance and empower them to venture into entrepreneurship undertakings. And as you have heard in the last 3 months, the Honorable Prime Minister launched that YES program, the Young Entrepreneurship Scheme, which is $20,000. And I want Windakata o kenda na youth men na biya niyan menda na toholea na mendambulea na 20,000. Last year we as a ministry, we started off with our young entrepreneur. We offer only 10,000 to small scale youth entrepreneur. We gave 10,000 to the best entrepreneur female and 10,000 to the best female. And the young entrepreneur, or the upcoming entrepreneur, so the encouragement to encourage you to come out of employment and to be employed by yourself. That is why we have that program. It's part of the ministry, but on a small scale, 10,000. But from 10,000, you can elevate up to 20,000. Onea kitu sana kalikim do tani mai kina mai nan to misti kitu san bichikim do sar na Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism. So we all know that the Eastern Division is very challenging, division as the commissioner here, and I have also experienced during before I became a minister and during my ministerial portfolio. Eastern Division is very challenging because of the geographical state of the maritime. It's a maritime zone. The last 4 years when I was in the Central Division, I recommended to the police commander, to the defense minister. This is just off the track, off from this government assistant this morning. That I recommended to the defense minister that the police department follow the government boundaries. One thing that the police department are facing, that the southern zone, they have marine resources, and they also have land resources. If they concentrated on to the eastern, concentrate the marine, the Eastern Division looks after the Eastern Division in the government boundaries, and the Southern Division looks after the Central Division in the government boundaries. So now the police department both look after Central and the Eastern, both the Southern Division and the Eastern Division. So the recommendation is still in the pipeline maybe, but we recommended that to make things easier, we understand that the Eastern Division is a maritime zone, a maritime division. So this morning, for me to come over to the youth clubs, I'm very appreciable, and I'm very happy that you come to Suva to collect your assistance that you have requested during my visit. But we have conducted some training at the maritime zone, as been briefed by the manager Eastern Division, the YA Lau, that the courses that you requested during my tour on Southern Lau, it's already been conducted. I think some still left because of the remoteness of the island, and also Cyclone Gita just gone by. The course is in Onilau, and maybe Ongea is on hold at the moment. That's why. So I would like to highlight the breakdown of the assistance that we will be receiving this morning. 5 project assistant that goes to the Lau group will be from my matrix during the tour. The 5 youth clubs that also received similar assistance last year from this funding as well. 2 project assistants will be from the youth grant funding. You understand that we have 8 programs. One is the Minister's Matrix. I have some reserve with me. And the second one is the youth grant funding. The third one is the one project assistant will be from the empowerment funding vote. Empowerment funding vote. And the fourth one, 2 individual recipients will receive items under the Young Entrepreneur funding that they are ex-trainees of Avitu Youth Center in Kandau. I'm confident to tell you this morning, I don't know whether the 3 from Matupu that requested, are they in Nassau now, attending training in Nassau. We have a youth center in Nassau that looks after farmers it opens to female too, but organic farming. It's organic farming only, run by Oiska of Japan. The best 2 out of the 6 months training they have, the best 2 they send the best 2 to Japan for 1 year. That is what the Ministry of Youth is using. So we have two centers in Nassau. One is for farming, organic farming, and another one is carpentry and blocking. So everybody are welcome, but it's a 1 year training for carpentry and block laying, and 6 months for, we have 2 6 months for organic farming with Oiska. So the one with two individual recipients will receive item under the Young Entrepreneur funding, and they are trainees of Avitu Youth Center in Kandau, and one with funding will be receiving assistance under the mobile skills funding. So the total funding for this item is approximately 30,000. Is the empowerment of the youth. It's about getting off your feet and be prepared for the coming years that are coming before you. So being a person from the Eastern Division myself, I fully understand the nature and reason of your request, which you will receiving this morning. My hope is that we all become a beacon of hope, not only for youths in your island, your province, also in the whole Eastern Division and Fiji as a whole. Therefore, as you receive the assistance from me today, you are also receiving government blessing and support in the presence of the Commissioner Eastern Division, the SAT from Malau, the two officers from the police officers, and our senior government official who are present this morning. So I wish you all the very best, that you will endeavor to multiply what the government has given you today, and over the years you will make the Eastern Division and the Ministry of Youth and Sports very proud of you. Now, welcome. For the next 2 years, we'll introduce class 2 in everything. Just